Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just have to say that appreciate you guys that you give it a like and maybe share to my videos. This is helping me a lot and make me to do more videos like this. So today we got Galaxy A70, the new phone from Samsung, from this new series A from this year, and seems to be one of the tallest screen I've seen on Samsung until this point. So this phone has been released in 2019 this year on April, and we're gonna see what this phone is bringing new except that big screen. So this is in a color blue and is a European version. So we got Samsung Galaxy A70 with 128 storage. We got an Infinity U display, on-screen fingerprint, which is really nice. So we're gonna test that fingerprint with Galaxy A50 and maybe with Galaxy S10 Plus, why not? And it's coming with a super fast charging, up to 25 watts. So it's gonna charge that 4500 mAh battery quite quick. It's a 4G phone, it's an octa-core processor, it's all rounded corners. We got a full HD Super AMOLED display, a really nice setup of triple camera, and also a huge 32 megapixel front camera and 6 GB of RAM. Also it's a dual SIM. So let's just open this box. I just cut the seal before, so I don't have to do it right now. And let's see, what do we have on here. We got just some papers and nothing else, only papers. So we don't have a silicone case? No, really. Okay, so let's open the box. And this is the phone. I quite like this blue color. All my phones are coming on this beautiful color blue, which I really like it. And what else we got in the box? We got this UK adapter, and let's see what do we have right here. You can check the output. So yeah, it's a 3-pin adapter. Also we got an USB Type-C cable, so we can attach to the adapter. We got that key to open the SIM tray, and we got also the earphones, so we can listen to music, which is really nice, and which means that the phone is coming with an jack audio, of course. So yeah, we got the jack audio right here. We got the USB Type-C 2.0, and we got this grill with the speakers on the bottom. Okay, let's peel this off, or maybe not. Yeah. Okay, like I said, I did open the box before to do the setup to be more quick for this unboxing. So on the top we got just this little sensor for probably noise cancellation, and we got the volume buttons on the right side, and we got the power button also on the right side. This little drop notch in a U shape on the front, and it's hiding a huge 32 megapixel camera. Like I said, on the back we got a really nice setup of 3 cameras, and we got the flashlight right here. Also, the phone doesn't feel that heavy. Its weight only 183 grams, and it's coming with this 7.9 thickness. So it's not quite thick. It's 7.9, which is really great for a very tall phone, and a 4500 mAh battery. Also, the screen, it's 6.7 inch. It's quite huge, but doesn't feel that huge anyway, because it's all screen, of course, and it's coming with an 86% screen to body ratio, and the screen is also full HD with just only 393 ppi density, so they are not coming with a huge pixel density. The triple camera, it's hiding a huge 32 megapixel sensor, and this is the primary sensor right here, 32 megapixel. Also it's coming with a 5 megapixel deep sensor and another 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, so we can do really nice pictures and video quality. And let's have a look on the camera also to see what else we got. So we can swap between the normal and ultra wide camera. We got the video recording right here, we got super slow motion, and we got slow motion also, and hyperlapse. So we got all of this on this menu. Let's go also and see how on what quality we can record. Oh, really nice. So we can record on Ultra HD 4K, probably 30 frames per second, which is more than enough. Also on the front video size, front camera, oh, we can record only on full HD. With that 32 megapixel camera would be easily to record on 4K. So would be nice if Samsung would release a nice update so we can record 4K video. We're just gonna do a quick picture and see how good is this triple camera, and I don't know, shaking or not, should be steady. Okay, let's try, let's see. No. Okay, let's have a look. A bit noisy on the zoom in, but this is happen when you zoom in. Okay, not that bad. I don't know if it's looking a bit blurry on the background, but well. And let's try to record the video. And yeah, even on this phone we are not able to record a video without moving between the normal and ultra wide camera. The only one who can do this is Galaxy S10 at this moment. I haven't seen this feature on A50, on A60, or even on A40s. So yeah, A70 also doesn't bring this option to move between the camera, the normal camera, and ultra wide camera while recording. So would be nice to do that, but anyway, maybe in time Samsung will release all these updates for us to make us all happy, of course. Let's go also on the key menu to see what this phone is hiding here. So we got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto rotate, and flight power data, location, really nice. And we got NFC, which this NFC, it's a market dependent, so maybe in some of the countries this NFC feature is not coming with this phone. So I'm gonna deactivate. I usually disable the GPS and NFC because this draining your battery quicker. If you don't use it, well, just deactivate it. So we got always on display also. We got night mode. Is it? Yeah, really nice. We got night mode on this phone, navigation bar, and let's see what else we got on these buttons. It's just nearby. So yeah, that's it, pretty basic. And let's move on the settings. See, it's like usual, it's one UI from Samsung. It's an Android 9, so we got the same menu on all their phones. We got digital well-being, of course, and we got general management, the battery right here, power mode, optimize, so you can switch between optimize, medium power saving on maximum power saving, of course. And what I've seen here, adaptive power saving, set the power automatically based on your usage pattern. Really nice feature, that one. We got the storage right here, so we got 128 gigabytes of storage plus 6 gigabytes of RAM, but you can add a micro SD card. And another really nice feature on this phone is that it's coming with an fingerprint sensor on the screen, and we're gonna do that in a minute. So we're gonna add our fingerprint, and let's say the pattern mode here, continue, confirm again, Okay, and now we're just gonna register our fingerprint, and let's see how fast is it. I've been using A50 quite a lot with that fingerprint, and seems to be a bit faster after all that updates. Yeah, always you need to keep the finger longer on the sensor. Okay, so this is it. Let's have a look and see how fast is this fingerprint on this phone. Okay, I was expected to be a bit faster, I don't know why, but it's fast enough. It's an optic sensor, so let's try with the screen. Yeah, it's working. With the screen off, yeah, it's working. Really nice. So we're gonna test this fingerprint sensor with Galaxy A50 and Galaxy S10 Plus in a quick battle test, if I can say like this, and see if that A50 it's better with all that improvements, all that updates, or this one A70 at this moment it's a bit faster than the other one. This is the Galaxy A70, the new phone from Samsung on this new A series from this year, and we're gonna test this phone, this really looking nice phone with the Galaxy A50 and the Galaxy S10 Plus, and maybe with Galaxy A40s if you want, guys. So yeah, give it a like and share if you want to, and subscribe, so turn that notification on so you can be able to receive all my videos once I upload on YouTube. So thank you for watching this video. This is Galaxy A70, and until next time, peace guys.